Hey guys, it's time for another construction tip. Okay, so let's get started. Here are a few tools you will need to finish this project correctly. So right here you see we've already ran our 14-2 wire to a box. They call it a 14-2 wire because there's three wires here. So I actually don't know why they call it a 14-2 when there's three. So this black one, the white one and the black one, I always get mixed up. One of them carries the energy or the electrical to the box that we're going to, and the other ones, they do a couple things. So moving on, I need to cut and make this shorter, this wire here, this white wire, and the best way of doing that is just to cut right into the wire. I have this really cool tool right here, and it will tell us if there is electrical energy coming through, but this is out of battery, so I won't be able to tell, and I couldn't find the breaker, so we're just gonna cut, and you just kind of want to cross your fingers and you don't want to get electrocuted here, but you just got to cross your fingers. Phew. Okay, so that worked. It cut clean through. So this is what it will look like after you connect. I had one of my neighbors come over and do the attaching of the electrical part of this part, so it's up right now, and you can put anything you want into these two holes, or three holes. You can put anything you want into these three holes. You can put a toaster, lights, a boombox, anything that will fit into these 2 or 3 holes that will turn on. So now that I've shown you how to do it, we're going to go ahead and plug something in and show you that it can turn on because of how we wired this up today. So I borrowed this Christmas tree. Let's go ahead and plug it in so we can see the results of our new electrical outlet.